Yeah, good evening, guys. Welcome back to Typography Design Training. I believe we're doing great today. So right now, I want to design a restaurant's poster using the PixelLab. And as you can see, this is a PixelLab interface. So as usual, so you are going to learn a tips here on how you can achieve this particular restaurant's poster using our PixelLab. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So the first thing is to determine the size. So I want to use this size 1024 by 1024, which means the height of this design and the width will be the same. After that, I will access my gallery, bring in the background which I want to use, and these are the backgrounds I got from Pinterest. So after that, I have this particular uh, cell phone frame. And how do I make this? I merge these two on Canva. So I got the frame in Canva, then I use the background, wooden background in Canva as well to make that. That is where I achieved that. Then after that, I got this burger on the Pinterest as well. So I look at it and I arrange it very well. So I will bring this one to cover to cover the part of the frame. So after that has been done, I will go in back to my gallery. So what's the next thing I need to do? So I need to bring in all the elements, other elements. So like this, I'll bring this, position it here. Then I'll go in back to my gallery, bringing this as well, the pepper, onion, and tomato. The slice one, I will position it around this corner. So after that has been done, I will still go in back to my gallery, bringing the light effect. So I will position that around there. So after that has been done, I will still go back to my gallery, bringing the social media icon. I will position that here. I will go back to my gallery, bringing the line, the black line. Okay, I'll position that around there as well. So I'll go in there, bringing the line icon. Okay, so position it here. So after all this has been done, you make sure that you lock everything. So what do you need to do next? Just go into the text area, then you type burger. Okay, type burger. So the font we are going to use is called Moon House. Moon House. So I'm going to search that for you to see. So Moon House, this is it. So after you select that, you are going to increase the size very well to this taste. Then go to the line spacing, close the line between two words. So after that, you are going to position that around there. So let your line lay it around there. You can reduce, then after reduction, you still leave a space in between the two letter. So position that around there. So once you're able to do that, go into the press the back button, then you will have something of this nature. So once you are able to have that, you go into the text, layer, and have it lock. So after that, go into shape, your radius, make it to be 25, and you crop with that shape exactly like this. Reduce the size a little bit, drag it and position it around there. Don't let it be too close. Okay, so after you position it here, go into the color, change the color to black. So you can make the color to be too deep, to be too dark, by going to the color layer and you drag this towards the right. Then you have something of this nature. Now have it lock as well. So the next thing you are going to do to put a finishing touch to everything, you go in back to the text, to your gallery, looking for leaf, and you select it like this. Go into the go into the eraser, erase all these parts, and let it remain one leaf. And after that, what do you need to do? We need to have this being deleted. Sorry. So we go in back to the marks and off it so that we have what we are craving for. So you position that around this corner and everything will be able to be plumb like that. So once you are able to do that, you can now access your gallery. Then you type order now. Okay, order now. Going back to the font type. So when you get to the font type, you select a font called Archivo. So when you select an Archivo font, crop it very well and you manage to position it at this corner. Okay, perfect. So once you are able to do that, you copy the same. Then you have it here, www.burger.com. Perfect. Then you have that being positioned around here. Reduce the size very well and let there be space in between all those alphabets. Go into the relative position and you position it to the center to make it look perfect. Then what do you need to do next? After this has been done, you won't want this to be in line with this. So what do we need to do? You need to just arrange this very well. So we go in there, then you shift this one to be in line. So after you are able to achieve that, you go into the text area and you type the best. So which font can we use for this the best? I want to use a Benedict font. Benedict font. So we have a Benedict font and you go into the padding to allow the text show properly and you position that around there. Okay, position that around there. Okay, perfect, and we're good to go. This is how you can come up with a restaurant's poster on your Android smartphone using your PixelLab in less than 10 minutes. I believe this will help you in one way or the other. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you are not new, don't forget to share and hit this uh, notification icon so that you can be notified whenever I update my channel with amazing video like this. Thanks for watching, guys. If you need the PLP, check the description of this video and have it downloaded. Thanks. Have it safe and don't forget, as I do say, your dimension should be in ultra and your format should be in PNG for better quality. Thanks once again.